Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 1 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter edition, and the lessons we're going to cover today are ways to make a number, addition sentences, addition word problems sums up to 10, addition sentences for word problems sums up to 10. Let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 1 maths. The chapter is addition. I'm going to start with the first lesson, that is ways to make a number, addition sentences. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here are the ways to make 4. Find pattern and type the missing addition sentence. Okay, so how to understand the pattern and how to find the missing sentence? Just listen to me carefully. Okay, find the first number in each addition sentence. Like in each addition sentence, the first one is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Got it? Look for a pattern. Each number is one more than the number above it. Like for the first time, it is 0. Okay, first time it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Just first number in every sentence. First time it is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. That means the next number is 1 more than the previous one. So right after 3 you have 4. It would be then 4. Got it? Okay, now just look at the second number. 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? For each sentence they are decreasing by 1. Like for the first time it is 4. Then subtract 1, it would be 3. Again 1 less than it is 2. Again 1 less than it is 1. Now 1 take away 1, that means it would be now 0 here. Got it? And all the numbers makes 4. So 4 plus 0 also makes 4. This way you can find the missing numbers. Missing, you understand the pattern as well, and you find the missing sentence. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Here are the ways to make 5. Find the pattern and type the missing addition sentences. So we have to find the pattern and then we have to find the missing addition sentence. You have to go to the same way we did for example. Just look at the first number in all the sentences. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For each next number, the number are increasing by 1, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now right after 4, which number is the next one? The next one is now 5. Got it? That means for the next one, the first number is 5. Got it? Now just look at the second one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For each next number, the number is decreasing by 1. Got it? 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So right after 1, the next one is 0. Got it? So 5 plus 0 is what number? 5 plus 0 is 5. So the correct option is option number 1. That means the missing one is 5 plus 0 equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5 plus 0 equals 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Here are the ways to make 4. Find the pattern and type the missing addition sentences. Okay. So start from this one. We'll look at the first number 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. For each sentence above this, the first number is decreasing by 1. Got it? 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. The next one is 1 minus 1, 0. Got it? That means the next one in the pattern is here you have 0. Got it? Okay, now just look at these numbers. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So right after 3, which is the next one? The next one is 0 plus 4. And 0 plus 4 makes 4. Got it? That means the missing one is 0 plus 4 equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is 0 plus 4 equals 4. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, here are the ways to make 3. Find the pattern and type the missing addition sentence. So we have to find the missing addition sentence. So start looking at the pattern. Just look at the first number. They are 3, 2, 1. Like for each next, each sentence above the previous one, the number are decreasing by 1. Got it? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the next one is 1 minus 1, 0. That means the next one in the pattern is 0. Got it? Okay. Now you have, just look at the second one. 0, 1, 2. The numbers are increasing by 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. It will be 0 plus 3 and 0 plus 3 equals 3. Got it? That means the missing one is 0 plus 3 equals 3. Got it? That is the second one. 0 plus 3 equals 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, here are the ways to make 5. Find the pattern, addition sentence. So we have to find a pattern and we have to look for the addition sentence. So let's start with the first one. We have to look for the first number in the sentence. Got it? The first one here, 5, 4, 3, 2. Like each sentence above the previous one, the numbers are decreasing by 1. Got it? 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So which number is right after 2? Right after 2 you have a 1. That means here the number is 1. Okay. Now just look at this numbers. The second one. Just look at the second one. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And the next one is right after 3. The next number is, the numbers are increasing by 1. The second one. So the next one is 4. Got it? And all the numbers sums to 5. So 4 plus 1 is, 1 plus 4 is also 5. So the correct option is this one. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay, the next one is, here are the ways to make 4. Find the pattern and type the missing addition sentence. So we have to find the missing addition sentence. Okay, so just look at the first number in the sentence. 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers are increasing by 1 each time. 0, 1, 2, 3. So right after 3, the next one is, that means the next one is 4. Got it? Okay, then just look at the second one. 3, 2, 1. And that means the numbers are decreasing by 1 each time. Got it? So 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the number right after 1? Right after 1, it is 0. Got it? So it would be 4 plus 0 equals 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4 plus 0 equals 4. That is option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, here are the ways to make 3. Find a pattern and type the missing addition sentence. So we have to now we have to look at the sentence that 3. So start with the first digit, 3, 2, 1. The numbers are decreasing by 1 each time. So right after 1, you have a 0. That means for the next sentence, the first number is 0. So here you have 0. Now look at the second number, 0, 1, 2. The numbers are increasing by 1. So it would be 2 plus 1 is 2 plus is, next one is 0, 1, 2. So now it is 3. So 0 plus 3 makes 3. Got it? So the correct option is 0 plus 3 makes 3. Got it? So the correct option is 0 plus 3 makes 3. That would be second option. So the correct option is the second one. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Yes, very good. It is 0 plus 3. Okay, let me just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next one is, we're going to start the next lesson, that is addition word problems sums up to 10. Start with the next lesson. Okay, let's start with the first example. Let me just read the question. Listen to me carefully. Okay, when Ali painted her house, she used 1 gallon of white paint and 2 gallons of brown paint. How many gallons of paint did Ali used in all? So you have to understand the question. You have to make a addition sentence and then you have to solve. Got it? So the gallons she used 1 gallon of white paint. You have to calculate the total gallons used. So she used 1 gallon of white paint and 2 gallons of brown paint. So you have to add all the gallons. Got it? You have to add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 makes 1 plus 2 makes 3. That means the total used is 3. Got it? Okay, the next example is, Okay, the next example is the school cabinet has one large binder and four small binders. In total, how many binders are there? So basically you have to calculate the binders. So for the total binders, you have to calculate the large number of large binders and number of small binders. So you have to actually add 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 makes 1 plus 4 makes 5. Got it? That means the total binders are 5. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Rachel works at a women's clothing store. Yesterday, she noticed that all her customers wore pants or skirts. Three customers wore pant and one customer wore a skirt. How many customers did Rachel help? Yeah. So three of them wore pants and one of them is skirt. So you just have to add up 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is start with a larger number and add up to smaller one. 3 and plus 1, 3 plus 1 makes 4. So the correct option is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Got it? That means the total customers she had yesterday are 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is all team lost a game. They scored 1 point, but they needed 3 more points to win. In total, how many points did the team need to win? So they lost the game actually. And the point they scored is they just scored 1 point and they needed 3 more. Got it? So that means 1 plus 3. You have to calculate the total points they needed. You have to do 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 makes, start with 1 and count up to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 plus 3 makes 4. That means the total point needed to win the basketball game is 4 points. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Very good. Okay, a husband and a wife on the Oregon Trail are on the Oregon Trail. Bugs get into their food and ruin 4 cups of wheat and 1 cup of cornmeal. How many cups of grain does the couple lose? Got it? So they ruin 4 cups of wheat and 1 cup of cornmeal. So you have to add 4 plus 1. Got it? And 4 plus 1 makes, start with 4 and add up to 4 plus 1 makes 5. Got it? That means the total 5 cups of food is ruined. Got it? The correct option is 4. They lose 4 cups of the, no, you have to add 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. Yes, so the total food they lost is 5 cups. Got it? Very good. Okay, the next one is Kira only feeds her dog of treats. Last year, Kira fed her dog 2 peanut butter treats and 2 carrot treats. How many treats did Kira feed her dog last year? So you have to add up the treats together. 2 peanut butter and 2 carrot. You have to do 2 plus 2. Got it? And 2 plus 2 makes, start with 2 and count up to 2. 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 plus 2 makes 4. Got it? If you guys know the answer, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. Your communication is highly appreciated. So you can just use the chat box if you already know the answers. So 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. The correct option is 4. Very good. Okay, the next one is after a forest fire, there are 3 old trees plus 2 baby trees called Saplings, how many trees are there overall? So you have to calculate the total trees. So you have to add 3 plus 2. Got it? So start with 3 and count up to 2. So you have to do 3 plus 2. So 3, start with 3 and count up to 2 is 3, 4 and 5. So 3 plus 2 makes 3 plus 2 makes 5. Got it? So 3 plus 1 makes 5. So the correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is the school supply cabinet has one large binder and 4 small binders. In total, how many binders are there? You have to calculate the total binders. Got it? So you have to do 4 plus 1. Got it? So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? Start with 4 and count up to 1. So it is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is yes, it is 5. Okay, the next one is a truck dropped off uh, at 2 stores. It used 2 gallons of gas to drive the first store and 3 gallons to drive the second. How many gallons of gas did the truck use? Very good. 3 plus 2 makes 5. So the correct option is the total gallons truck uses 5 gallons. 3 plus 2 makes 5. Very good. The correct option is 5. So just select the correct option and click on OK button. Okay, the next one is a school's book fair sold 3 chapter books and 1 picture book. How many books were sold? You have to do 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 makes very good. 3 plus 1 makes 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is in a rainforest there are 2 small parakeets and 1 large parakeet. What is the total parakeet population? You have to add 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 makes 2 plus 1 makes, very good. That means the total population is 3 parakeets. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is when Ali painted her house, she used 1 gallon of white paint and 2 gallons of brown paint. How many gallons of paint did Ali use in all? So you have to do, you calculate the total gallons. You have to do plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is, yes, very good. 2 plus 1 makes 3. That means the total gallons she used is 3. So the correct option is 3. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next one is addition sentences for word problems sums up to 10. So we have to, now we have to do the word problems. So let's start with first one. To fill an order, the factory dyed 4 yard of silk indigo and 1 yard orange. How many yards of silk did it dye for the order? So they add 4 yards of silk and 1 orange. So you have to add 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. Got it? Okay, the next one is one afternoon Erica caught 2 tadpoles in a pond and took them home. They left 1 tadpole in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? So basically here you have to calculate the total tadpoles. 2 of them she took home and 1 left. So you have to add 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 makes 2 plus 1 makes 3. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions and let's do the practice questions. Okay, the first one is last week on a show about superheroes, the main character rescued 4 boys and 1 girl from danger. How many total people did the hero rescue last week? So you have to calculate the total peoples rescued by the main character. So 4 boys and 1 girl. So you have to add 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 4 plus 1. So start with 4 and add up to 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. That means the total peoples rescued by the main character is 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the 4 plus 1 equals 5. That is the sentence that fits the 3. Got it? Okay, the next one is one afternoon, Erica caught two tadpoles in a pond and took them home. That left one tadpole in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? So, two two tadpoles she took home and one left in the pond. So you have to create the total tadpoles. So you have to add 2 plus 1. Got it? And 2 plus 1 equals. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Got it? The correct option is the option number 1. That is the sentence that fits the story. Okay, the next one is May only feeds her dog two kinds of treat. Last year, May fed her dog one peanut butter treat and three carrots treat. How many treats May feed her dog last year? So uh, she she fed her one peanut butter and three carrots treat. So you have to calculate the total treats. So you have to do 1 plus 3. So start with 1 and add up to 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with 1 and add up to 3. So it would be 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Got it? So 1 plus 3 equal 4. That means the total treats she fed to her dog is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Homer goes on vacation to the Bahamas. He sent three postcards to the friends and two postcards to the family member. How many postcards does he send in also? Three of the postcards he sent to friend and two of them to the family member. So you have to calculate the total postcards. Got it? So you have to do 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2. Got it? You have to calculate the total postcards. So you have to do 3 plus 2. Got it? So start with 3 and add up to 2. 3, 4, 5. That means 3 plus 2 makes 5. Got it? So 3 plus 2 makes 5. So the correct option is option number 3. 3 plus 2 makes 5. Okay, yesterday Joseph took care of his younger brother and sister. He picked up three of his brother's toy and one of his sister's toy. How many toys did Joseph pick up? So three of her sister toys and one of the brother toy. You have to add 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 equal 3 plus 1 equal. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 4. Got it? That is the story. That is a sentence that fits the story. Got it? 3 plus 1 equals 4. Very good. Okay, the next one is Camily's favorite game at the carnival are the bottle stand games and the rope ladder climb. Camille tries to bottle stand game 4 times and rope ladder climb 1 time. In all, how many times did Camille play the games? So you have to add 4 and 1 because she tried bottle game 4 times and ladder rope 1 time. So it would be 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 equals. So 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. The correct option is 5. Option number, the last one is the correct sentence that fits the story. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, Brittany is building a cabinet. She needs three 1-inch bolts and 1.5-inch bolt. How many bolts in all does Brittany need? You have to add 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 equals. Very good. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 1 maths and then we're working on the chapter edition. Here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We have lesson we did are ways to make a number addition sentences, addition word problems sums up to 10, addition sentences for word problems sums up to 10. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.